RDDT Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Reddit, yeah, I like the, it's 3% down, but I like the overall movement that I've seen here, because all I'm here to do is just trying to catch this and take it up. The corrections are part of the game, and I prefer them they actually happen, because you can see like this can seem all over the place. The truth and the reality is that this is where we are, this is where I'm at. This was sitting at $100 at the time. I was aiming for 130. Nothing crazy, just a simple 30% increase 2 weeks ago. Since that has happened, that's nice. And the only thing that I care about is in double break. Like, this is very ugly, right? Like, I'm not going to immediately buy, so waiting for a confirmation. And if that does happen, then and only then I'm going to start to buy, right? Other than that, it's all noise. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free